Let's set up our WhatsApp bot. There, if you open, you will see that all that you need, that's phone number, ID, and access token. And there you see some webhook URL that you need to paste on Meta account. So let's go to developersfacebook.com. There you see my apps, and you need to choose which one you need. And there, on the left side menu, I see WhatsApp Quick Start, API Setup, Configuration, Partnered Solution. If you don't find WhatsApp in this menu, all that you need, add product to your app. You will find WhatsApp there, and you need just press to set up button near WhatsApp. I already do this. That's why I need to go to API Setup. On this page, I see that I have temporary access token. This token will expire in 24 hours. If you want just test how it works, it's okay to use this token, but it's not good idea to use this on production because every 23 hours you need to refresh this token on your application. There you can choose a phone number which you want to test. You can choose some test number, or there you have add phone number. You can add your own phone number. Let's try to find all information that we need. That's phone number ID. You see this phone number ID there. We can just copy clicking the button and paste it there. And we need access token. I don't want to have to use temporary access token. You see the copy button, you can just paste it there and save. But I show you how to get your permanent access token. You need to go to configuration on this left side menu. You see that you are there and you have permanent token. Learn how to get it. You see, you can read all requirements, everything that you need to have to use WhatsApp API. And if you scroll down, you will see some instruction how to get it. You need to sign on Meta Business Suite. I sign there. After that, it's written that we need to go to setting. On the down, you see setting there. You need to navigate to user system. And there my system users. I need to press there. And after that, I need to click generate new token button. And this my button, generate new token button. I just need to create it. I need to choose which application I want to use. I need to choose token expiration. On this day, my token will be ended. It can be this variant. I don't want to use this one. If it's okay for you, you can create like this. I choose never. And on this access, you need to choose WhatsApp Business Messaging and WhatsApp Business Management and press generate. You need to copy and save this token for future using and press OK. We can after that go there, paste this token and press save button. Our information saved, and after that all we need to set up this one webhook. You have URL that you can just copy, clicking there, go to developersfacebook.com where we was previously, and on WhatsApp, on configuration, you see this field webhook, where you need press edit, paste your URL, and write some verified tokens that you want to use. It can be everything that you want. Press verify and save. If everything okay, this model window will be closed and you see information like this. And now we need to set up one more thing. It's webhook fields. Press manage and we need to choose messages. Press there and that's all. Press done. After that, from developersfacebook.com, from business account, from Meta site, that's all. I already have information about UBOS on my own database and I can try to use my WhatsApp account. So I logged on my WhatsApp account and there I find that number that I set up on developers Facebook.com. On this tab where we have API setup, we can choose phone number that you want to use, and I set up this one and use this phone ID. When you change it, this phone ID will be changed. So I find that number that I already set up there, and let's try to ask something our bot. And we see some response. And we see a result. This result from our own knowledge base. And that's all about how to set up our WhatsApp bot.